Right, welcome back. Nice sunny morning here in Ontario, Canada. Bike's been trickle charging all night. It was actually okay when I switched it off, but these batteries are small and these old engines are hard to crank over, especially I've done the rings and these pistons, so they're probably a little tighter in the cylinders. For this morning, what I want to do is I want to take her on her little kind of semi-maiden voyage. I just want to give her a little ride around the court, see how it is, see how it actually feels. Then I want to get it into the trailer and tie it in there and secure it. And then we'll head on over and see if we can get it safety inspected. The thing is with the safety inspection, I don't know what to expect. I've done as much as I can to try and keep it as safe as possible. We'll see what they say. Hopefully any findings they have will be minor, and if they fail me, I'll bring it home. I'll tweak those. I'll change them, and bring it back. And that's all you can do, right? Yeah, but we'll go from there. Let's get stuck in. I'm going to start this up, let it warm up. I'll pull the truck out of the way a little bit, and we'll get her ready to give her a little bit of a test ride. Let's go. Okay, I've got her loaded up. I'm trickle charging her here because of course with all her fluting around, didn't really give the bike enough time to kind of get a charge on when I was riding it and stuff. That's it, but she's looking good, apart from the seat being off her. She's looking really good. I've got her secured in there, so we're going to hit the road in a second. I'm just going to grab a coffee and then we're good to go. So boys and girls, it is safety. It just passed its safety, so we are ready to rock and roll. I just loaded it back on the trailer and it is time to go and get some plates so that we can get it on the road and take it for its maiden voyage. So good times. Really delighted how it worked out. It ran really well. The mechanic who looked at it really liked it, which was nice. I'm a happy camper. Let's go and get some plates on this.